Any uncertainties exist. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, western Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, northern Clay County in northern Texas until 6 p.m. At 5:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jolly, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. A second severe thunderstorm was located southeast of Jolly, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $50 size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, multiple vehicles as expected. Expect wind damage to side trees. Locations impacted include Waika, Lead, Petrolia, Butters, Dean, Jolly, Hastings, Sugden, and southern Waika Lake. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.